All right, you guys, today we're taking a look at two brand new products from Apple. First off, the Magic Trackpad, but now with USB-C, and also the updated Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, but also with USB-C. Let's start things off with the Magic Trackpad. Turn the box around here. You'll see we have the standard Apple pull tab, so let's pull that. That was a tough one. Now we got this. We should just be able to slide it out. Here we go. All right, so let's get this Magic Trackpad out of the box here. It is wrapped in a nice paper. Take this off. And here's the trackpad, guys. We got a giant piece of glass with 4 rubber feet on the back, Apple logo in the center, and a nice rubbery silicone-ish surface on the back here. Most importantly, we have the Type-C port right on top of the Magic Trackpad. Here's your power switch right here, and here is your window for the Bluetooth radio. In the box, we also get a braided Type-C to Type-C cable. Looks like it's 1 meter. Could be longer, I'm not sure. But this is a first for the Magic Trackpad. Braided Type-C to Type-C. Awesome. You also get your warranty information and your quick start guide. No Apple stickers, obviously. So this was your first look at the Magic Trackpad 2 with USB-C. Let's check out the keyboard now. Magic keyboard with USB-C. Let's open it up. Here we have the keyboard. It's wrapped in the same paper material as the trackpad. Here we go. Here's our keyboard. We have our Touch ID button right there. We have our Type-C port right there. Our Bluetooth window right there. And our power button right here. Very small, very compact keyboard. It's gonna be pretty nice to type on. I purchased these to use with Mac Virtual Display and Apple Vision Pro, so I can edit my videos, have my Mac monitor on the ceiling, and edit away. Also in the packaging, we get another Type-C to Type-C braided cable. Looks to be 1 meter, but could be longer, not sure. All right, guys, and this was my unboxing and first look at the Magic Trackpad 2 with USB-C and the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID USB-C version. See you guys later.